All right, guys, we got the old wide angle on. We're gonna take a walk down my street here, through a little bit of the wooded area. Let me see if everything's all melted. Most of everything looks melted. Anything that's natural, anyway. We got all the birds singing. We definitely got some repairs to the road that need to be addressed. This has been a horrible season for us. I might add that in there. Just absolutely terrible on our roads. I mean, that kind of stuff right there is just everywhere. And I'm surprised the birds are not in here yet. We can hear them off in the distance over that way. And I plan to see some come into this nice little spot area up here. And there's usually a bunch in these trees. They're not working on it yet. I can tell you the sighting of my house has been a spot a woodpecker or something has been trying to get to. I'm not cool with that. Well, that tree looks like it's probably a good home for somebody. He's up there squawking, making his noise. All right. Not a big town, but we have a small little shopping center off to my left here, and well, some of the locals use these little trails through the wooded areas to save time walking, I suppose. And I'd probably rather take a nature hike than walk along a sidewalk anyway. I tell you, we do need to clean this area up though. After a good snow melt, there's a lot of trash that needs to be dealt with. Maybe I'll get the kids to come out here and we'll do a trash day. That sounds like a good thing to do. Think global, act local. It's a great little field here. It's really nice. This is the, this is the back trails of a city. You don't get to see these, the underbelly. This is the underbelly. Trash needs to be picked up. I wish I had a trash bag now. Yeah, and that needs to be dealt with too. I hope that poor person didn't have to sleep in there during the winter time. Looks like it's a decent home during the summer. It could be worse. It's really not a really bad place to be homeless. Looks like some BMX trails off over this way. Now, the birds are always off in the distance by 50, 100 feet. And I keep walking, and they keep staying that same circumference distance. I keep on hearing them, like right up there, right over the corner, right around the next one. Just a few more feet. All right. Yeah. All right, now we're on the other side of the neighborhood that you can't get to by road unless you drive all the way around, but you can walk right over this way. Probably shorter time to walk than it is to drive. Ah, look at the buds on those trees. That's what I want to see, folks. Right there. Yeah, there's the buds on the trees. That's what I'm talking about. I'm ready for them warm days. The two that we've had were nice, but we still have remnants here. Whew. You see, is there anything in the way? Yeah, you gotta flip it like that, right? No? Huh. It won't spin the other way around now. Huh. So weird, guys, sorry. I wanted to do a fly-in over that. I thought it would be cool. And I think I typically have to spin this a certain way. Hold on, let me try this again. That's the way you gotta do it. Now I'm dangling it. It's almost like I'm walking on the ground. And I can spin it back around. I think. Alright guys, well that was our little walk. I thought it was fun.